In this video, we're going to look at import and model scaling in GrabCAD Print. When importing a unitless file format, like an STL, models can sometimes be brought into GrabCAD at an incorrect scale. Let's bring in the prop file. And if we look in the project window, we can see the file is loaded, but the orange exclamation point is telling us that the file is very small. Back to the main view, you can just barely see it, but our prop is there, only about 1/8 of an inch tall, not what we originally designed it as. To correct this, we can go to the Model Info tab and change the units from millimeters to inches. And our part is brought to the correct scale. Now let's bring in a 3MF file, this wrench. There it is. 3MF files do contain unit information, so if I were to try and use the same Model Info tool, it will not let me override the import units. I can still scale the model. If I leave the Model Info tab and come down to the Scale tab, I have a few options for changing the scale of this part. First, I can increase the model size by a percentage, or I can designate a specific length for a particular axis. In the case of the wrench, let's uniformly scale this part up to 150%. There we go, we've scaled it, and we've kept proper relations. Now let's try the prop. This time I'm going to turn off uniform scaling, and I'm just going to increase the y-axis to 8 inches long. This model has scaled, but proportions have not been kept.